In this video, we will learn about coordinate system in AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD, there is three types of coordinate system. First is absolute coordinate system. In absolute coordinate system, the origin is fixed for every point. As we know, in a coordinate system, the right side is always positive x-axis. Then in left side it is minus x-axis, and from top side is y-axis in positive direction, and lower side is y-axis in negative direction. And there is four quadrants. First quadrant that always plus 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 comma plus, because in this quadrant if you see the both x and y both are in positive direction, that's why the plus plus sign is there. Then in second quadrant there is x direction is in minus side and the y direction is in positive side, that's why there is minus comma plus direction is there. Third quadrant, as you can see that both the direction in x minus x direction and minus y direction is there, that's why it's minus comma minus. And for fourth quadrant, as you can see that in fourth quadrant the x is in plus side and the y is in minus side, that's why there is plus comma minus. So same thing we can implement in AutoCAD also. So here is same as previous slide. This center point is our origin point. In right side this is positive x-axis, and up direction it is positive y-axis, and left side it is minus x-axis, and in down side it's negative y-axis. So the center point is our origin point, that is always be 0, 0. Now suppose we want a rectangle of 100 by 50 mm, and for that we want to use absolute coordinate system in AutoCAD. So first select line, just select line command. Now specify origin point. So origin point is 0, 0, then press enter. Now you can see that our line starts from the origin. Now we need a horizontal line for the rectangle in x direction, so press 100, that is our length of rectangle in x direction, comma 0, because we are not going in y direction, and press enter. Now you can see that the length of 100 mm is drawn. Now we need to go in up direction for rectangle width, so our width is 50 mm. So as we know, in absolute coordinate system all the point coordinates will consider from origin point. That's why for getting this point at 50 mm height, how much we are traveling in x direction, it's 100, and in y direction it's 50, then press enter. So this vertical line represents our width of rectangle. So now we need to go in left direction. So for obtaining this point, how much we are traveling? We are only traveling in y direction from the origin point. So our coordinates will be 0, because we are not traveling in x direction, comma 50, and press enter. Now you can see that a horizontal line is created here. Now for returning back to the origin point, just press 0, 0 and enter. So this is how we can make a rectangle with the absolute coordinate system. Just remember one thing in AutoCAD: when you are using absolute coordinate system in AutoCAD, the option dynamic input, the shortcut is F12. should be off. If this option will be on, then this coordinate system work as like absolute coordinate system. Except line, you can also make the circle and other commands like rectangle and ellipse using absolute coordinate system. Like suppose if I need a circle at this point of radius 20 mm, then just select circle. Now it's asking for center point for the circle. So this point location is from the origin point is 100 in x direction. So 100 in x direction, and in y direction is 50. Then 100 comma 50 is my coordinate, and press enter. Now define radius for the circle. So radius is 20 and press enter. So now you can see that the object is complete. So like this we can make any object in AutoCAD by using absolute coordinate system.